You are in a simulation. Here's how to exit it. In this video, Neville Goddard explains that our reality is more like a dream that we are creating. And by realizing this, we can exit the simulation and take control of our lives. He emphasizes that the world is a mirror, reflecting our beliefs and thoughts. The key to exiting the simulation is through mastery of our thoughts and emotions, visualizing and manifesting the life we desire. We are the creators of our reality, and it is within ourselves that we must change to see a shift in our outer world. By becoming aware of our thoughts and beliefs and choosing to change them, we can break free from limiting patterns and live the life we truly want. The video encourages viewers to recognize their own power and take control of their reality. Click on the link in the description to watch the full video.